Welcome to the latest edition of Relationship Tips. Today's topic, right fighting. Have you ever had a conversation with your partner that turns into an argument over minor details? I called you 4 times. No, you called me 3 times. And it quickly becomes more important to be right than to be in the relationship. If right fighting is a common pattern, it's likely caused by the pain of not being seen by your parents when you were younger. In a perfect world, your parents would have mirrored you into existence. For example, if you walked into the room and said, "It's cold in here," your parents would have simply said, "Oh, so you're cold right now," even if the room temperature felt warm to them. On the other hand, if your parents responded by saying, "That's ridiculous, it's hot in here," you would have been hurt by that statement. The message you received is that your reality doesn't exist. You don't exist. The more this happened, the less you felt seen by the people who loved you. The pain of those early experiences will drive you to fight to be seen by the person who loves you today, your partner. If I said I called you 4 times, it was 4 times. Adults who have this wounding tend to use words like right, correct, and sentences that begin with, "The fact is." Here's the interesting part. You tend to be attracted to a partner who has similar wounding from childhood. And if you work together to really, truly see one another, both will begin to heal from the old wounds. So try the following tips. Remind yourself that one of the reasons you came together as a couple was to heal from the pain of the past. So focus on giving your partner a healing experience. Give up your fight to be right. Instead, truly see your partner. If she thinks you called her 3 times, then simply mirror her by saying, "Okay, you remember me calling you 3 times." You might not agree with your partner's version of the story. You don't have to agree with her to see her. Instead, give the healing gift of listening to her story with respect, curiosity, and compassion. Over time, her pain will dissipate, and so will her need to be right. Instead of waiting for change to happen, be the change your relationship needs. Couples who wait for change tend to stagnate and feel stuck. So, until next time, remember, change happens best when insight is combined with action.